All right, here we go. We got the ONNAIS. This is their gun case. I'm going to show you how to set up the digital passcode here and the fingerprint. So a couple things. With the passcode, you have to put 4 batteries in it. It's going to be right here just above the one on the inside. You need 4 AA batteries. Once you've inputted that, you have the safe here. Really simple, so we can go ahead and open it up. To go ahead and get it started, you're going to do the reset button. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to hit add. Then we're going to do a passcode. Hit OK. Passcode again. And then once it has 2 beeps, we are good to go. So just like that, we're going to close it up. Let's see if we can open it. And there you have it. That is how it is going to be set up. Now let's go ahead and get a fingerprint added to it. So add fingerprints. We're going to hit the add button, put fingerprint in designated place, repeat 6 times, and here 2 long beeps means it's successful. So we're going to make that happen. So we're going to open it up, which we have. We're going to hit the add button. We're going to do it 6 times. And then there you have it. Drop that down. And boom, just like that. So you're able to add up to 30 groups of fingerprints, which is super important and makes it easy. You do have a delete function on here, so you can go in and delete stuff. You can reset everything, and you can turn off the sound as well. So press the OK button 3 times to mute, which is super important. So let's do that. Now she is muted, so you're not able to hear any of those things, which is super important. But we can get in there just like that without any beeping. Guys, this is the ONNAIS Gun Safe. This thing is super simple, very easy to use. You see how functional it is. I highly, highly recommend it. Definitely check it out.